today's fast-paced world, AI helps boost productivity by automating tasks and managing schedules, making life easier. In this, I will tell 10 ways AI can help you get more done in less time. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on more important work using tools like Zapier and ITFO. Improve your writing with AI tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor, which offer grammar checks and style suggestions. AI manages your schedule efficiently with tools like Google Calendar, x.ai, and Clara, simplifying meeting bookings. Streamline research with AI tools like Feedly and Zotero, curating relevant content and organizing sources automatically. AI helps analyze data quickly with tools like Tableau and Microsoft Power BI, providing insights and visualizations efficiently. Enhance customer support with AI chatbots like Intercom and Drift, handling inquiries and troubleshooting, freeing up human resources. Track personal goals with AI apps like Habitica and Rescue Time, offering insights on habits and time management to stay focused. AI tools like Buffer and Hootsuite automate social media posts, track engagement, and optimize content scheduling for maximum impact. Improve project management with AI tools like Asana and Trello, organizing tasks, delegating responsibilities, and predicting bottlenecks. Stay focused and reduce distractions with AI apps like Focus at Will and Brain.fm, using neuroscience-based music and soundscapes.